Alright guys, what's up? Back for a new video here. In the last video you guys saw us install the Garrett G35-1050 turbo, and now we're here at Real Street Performance on the dyno with Freddy to tune the new turbo. So I am very excited. This car's been running great all year. I'm very excited to see the results of this turbo, and it's gonna be really cool. So we're on the dyno right now. We're all loaded up, strapped down, nice, climate controlled. Really hot today in Florida, so this is very nice. It's got the engine all cleaned up. New Garrett G35-1050 turbo on there, the wastegate, the Garrett wastegate and the Garrett blow-off valve. It's going to be really good. So I'm excited. I'm anxious, but good anxious. Got everything ready to go here at Real Street. Best place in Orlando for this kind of stuff. And I just want to note that, you know, I can make a lot of power on this turbo. Like, you can make plenty, and I do not need to make near the max of this turbo. We can make like probably 950 to 1,000 on this turbo, and I'm not doing that at all. I want the same, you know, power, just better power band in each area. But the first map I'd like to be like a 650, second map like a 700, third map like a 750. But Freddy wants to push it to like 8 something to see how it does and go from there. But I don't need that at all. But either way, again, it's not to make the most power. To see the difference of where we can have it for drifting and have different maps, and have different maps to use at fun events, comps, or grid lights and stuff like that, to turn it up, down, wherever you want to have it, with the best power band possible. But if you guys did not see the last video, we installed the Garrett G35-1050 106 AR T4. We had a Garrett GTX 3584 RS on there before, and again, it wasn't bad. It was just kind of lazy in certain areas, but this should spool and make all the power everywhere compared to kind of everywhere before. Our cams are degreed a little bit, so we'll see where this goes, and I'm very excited. Big shout out to Real Street for letting us come in here and do all this testing on the dyno and tuning. So let's get to it.
Burning out. There's nothing leaking, just the heat valve burning out, so don't be worried about that. Wait, okay, so I have a little bit of boost creep because it's kind of a big turbo. And what do you say? The manifold doesn't have good wastegate power. Okay. So boost creep to 29 pounds, I recommend. We said we weren't gonna go for high power, but this is the lowest it's gonna make now. 735, 670 torque, 680 torque. Oh, Frederick! All right, well, first pull, that thing sounds real good. The map's already looking really, really good. I cleaned it up here, but the mid-range is gonna be freaking ridiculous. Raining right now. Raining. That one made 750, 750 horsepower, 700 torque. Woo! Coming in about $4 grand, so that's gonna be real spicy. Okay, we're stopping.
You have low boost, medium boost, and then high boost.
Yep.
High boost too much for you, my friend? No good.
We made 788, 740 on the high boost, and then 692, 576, and then 698, 645. Well, that should be a different way around. But
well, this right here is Wastegate spring with a little bit of creep. Red puts a little bit of DD cycle in the mid-range to fill the torque gap, and then blue is 32 pounds of boost all the way through.
Yeah, this thing sounds ridiculous. It's kind of similar to the other turbo, but it comes in way harder. The response is way harder, but like it's way more like usable than the before. So now I can use this instead of before kind of just having it just kind of fall off as we go up. But yeah, it's going to be much better, and it's basically like a torque map, like you said. So now if I want like more mid-range, I want even more mid-range, I want more everywhere, I can just kind of play with the maps on the button on my with my ECU Master keyboard. So
keyboard,
yeah.
It's a keypad.
Keypad, same thing.
And at 32 pounds of boost, take note it's at 30 pounds of back pressure.
Wow.
So we could still go up to like 34, 36 and still be a 1-to-1 pressure ratio and be in the 800s all day long, but you don't need that much
No,
power.
I do not need that. Plus, like, you know, back pressure I've learned is so important. The old engines had probably 20 million back pressure. That's why I broke 20 million engines. But literally now it's so much healthier, and Freddy does an amazing job of what he does, and I'm very appreciative of Freddy over the years as he does his stare of compliments because he's too shy.
Oh my god.
No, anyway, but he's right there. She's witnessing it firsthand. But yeah, this engine has been really good. The Garrett G35-1050 is a big upgrade, and I highly recommend it. The new Wastegate sounds really good too. So the blow-up valve is like a very unique sound, so like I'm very stoked on it actually. Yeah, I'm very excited. Successful and healthy engine day. Every time on the dyno, when I'm on the dyno, he puts it in fourth, and I hold my breath the whole pull. I just like please. But other than that, I'm very stoked, and big thanks to Garrett. It's been really cool working with them and getting the turbo I've always wanted, and quality products to make quality results with a really good tuner and a really good engine. Really cool car. Let's go drive.
What's up, guys? It's Mike with Real Street Performance. I'm over here at Real Street Performance's dyno booth, and we got Matt's car on the dyno.
I got a new filmer.
It just made 1,000 to the tire with this G35-1050. I don't think you understand where this is going. We're going places. We're going to FD. 1,000 to the tire. Freddy, can you tell us a little bit about what you do for your tuning? Yeah, exactly. 1,000 to the tire. I don't think you guys are ready for this. We're gonna see you out on drift.com. Let's go.
I got a filmer now. I made it for free.
No, you pay him what.
So we got the new turbo on it, right?
Yep.
All right, let's talk a little bit about it.
What do you want to know?
Well, let's talk about how it performed versus the other turbo, what you liked about it, what you didn't, and where Matt's car is at and what you want to see for the future. How about that?
We'll get to the exciting stuff first. At 32 pounds of boost, it made 788 wheel and like 700 torque, something like that. I don't know, I forgot. And that's at 30 pounds of back pressure, so it's still under 1-to-1.
That's amazing.
Which is super great. Motor stays happy there.
But yeah, so it made really good power all the way through, and like before the car, like I said, like kind of just like fell off. It was like, it was good, but it was just like lazy, and like I didn't have much to work with, so like it was just kind of like just whatever. Now it like hits, but also has a really good control, if that makes sense. It just sounds like very just usable, like I said, everywhere. That's very, very key.
So you're happy?
All of that. Yes, very happy.
Overall
very happy. The new Garrett G35-1050 is key.
Good job, Garrett.
Sick. Doesn't even sound laggy. It can't be. I mean, it can be, but like it sounds like great.
So what's going on? So where are you at next with it? Does it need anything else before you head to the track?
Nope, it's ready to go. Right, just like this. It's prepped and ready. So I'm going to put it in the trailer, bring it back to the shop, go over everything.
He's lying. First of all, ride height not good. This is gonna rust.
Oh, see, here he goes.
The fender is broken. The fender's broken.
No good. This is fine. We don't care about this. What else? What else we got? Oh, hang on. The motor moved.
No, this is not.
Crooked. The motor's crooked. Look at this.
Yeah, so, no, literally, like, I put this new subframe in the other day, and everything was tight, and Freddy put big bang pop booms and scared the hell out of me, because I didn't know what was going to happen, and the motor, had a backfire, and the motor went, boom, and it went, doop, and I'm like, well, now I got to put it straight again, but.
So, Matt, I think the smart thing to do here is maybe if you, the next time you get it out, get everything set in place, and then maybe just like throw a little bit of a tack weld on each side to hold it so it can't actually move anymore.
Because obviously the car.
I mean, that works too.
Just put a bar across the top.
Well, Freddy, thank you again for your services, Freddy. It's always appreciated for everything that you do. Hey.
Hey. Nice seeing you.
Why don't you give us your Instagram and plug yourself a little bit here?
MattShulmanRacing.com.
All right, I like it. Thank you so much. Cheers, guys.
All right, back from all the chaos. It gets kind of hectic in there with, you know, the dyno, the car, anxiety, you know, stress, and positivity at the end. But I'm very, very happy with the car. Big, huge shout out to Freddy. Very good friend of mine for years now. I've been with him since day one. And he's very, very talented. He's very, very smart, and I trust him with my car over anybody in the world. He's an amazing job tuning. If you guys need to tune him up, Spec Tuned, Freddy at Spec Tuned right here. I'll put his link in the description for him. And you know, the Garrett G35-1050 Turbo is just unbelievably better. The power is just like so quick. It comes in hard, and I'm very excited to see it on track. So unfortunately, we don't have time to test before the comp, but I think it'll be okay. Should be fine. Now, I had a whole video film, it just didn't work out. I was very, very busy getting this car done. Being a one-man show when it comes to like working on the car and stuff like that, and prepping and doing all this stuff, it's a lot of work and a lot of time. And I'm very, very tired. I have not stopped for the past week straight on this thing to get this thing ready to go. But I am announcing that I am running the US Drift Circuit Pro-Am Series down here in Florida, going for a Formula Drift Pro Spec license. It's my dream to do this, and I've always wanted to do it. I just haven't really gone through with it, and this year I'm diving in and going hard. So I'm very excited to be going for that over here in Florida, in the home state, going for a license with a really cool car, really good car, really fun car, and all the sponsors supporting me. I could not do it without them. There's no way I could do it without their support, and I'm very, very grateful to be in the position that I'm in. But with that being said, that's it for this video. It might have been a shorter one, but it's time to get this thing re-prepped again after the dyno, go over everything, and get to the track for Pro-Am. So once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys very soon.